Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices, charge the Apple Watch above 50%, and keep your iPhone close. Make a full iPhone backup now, because unpairing the watch saves its data into that backup. Once backed up, confirm the Apple ID email you used. You'll need it to remove activation lock. Remove any SIM or eSIM details and detachable bands for photos. These first actions protect data and streamline transfer, so do them before you erase the watch, and make sure battery and backups are. Next, unpair the watch from the iPhone using the Watch app. This automatically creates the watch backup and begins clearing activation lock. Once unpaired, go to Settings on the iPhone and sign out of iCloud, making sure Find My is disabled. This step is why you noted your Apple ID earlier. If your watch had cellular, open the Watch app and remove the cellular plan or contact your carrier to cancel service. These middle steps complete the device's dissociation and protect the next owner. Finally, on the Apple Watch, go to Settings, General Reset, erase all content and settings to restore factory defaults, confirm when prompted. Clean the watch gently and photograph it, then pack the charger, band, and any original materials. Make a short checklist for the buyer: battery level, unlocked status, and included accessories. Troubleshooting tip: if activation lock still appears, sign into iCloud. Select Find iPhone, choose the Apple Watch, and remove it from your account, or sign out of your Apple ID on the paired iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.